I'm like, no. I said, that's a low, cause yo, I was like, about 7 o'clock in the morning, you know. But how could I want so today, Black Friday, go to work, go talk, cause, you know. Nobody know wake up yet, but they say you have to leave early. Hey. What the? I could have know. Yeah, man, so as I say, it is Black Friday officially today. The old lady says she wants a TV. You understand? You understand? So, me jump up because this is on TV, but me ask her like, what kind of TV do you want, fam? What do you want? So she say, she don't want no big TV, she just want a small TV. So, if you remember Freddy, or Freddy I touch her yard. So, I say, I just make Freddy bring her the TV. So she want a small TV, but she don't want a big TV. She want a small TV, a small TV. So when I go on sale, so I jump up early. I'm gonna go fit right now. You see me? No, don't mind my gunner's hat, but it's a celebration. It's a celebration. Emery gone. They suck Emery this morning right now. See there? We are going for Allegri. Allegri. Alright. We're going to there. Oh gosh. Oh god. I not even know if nobody in the house week. I just come out of that kind of business. I run up on the road and come back. Let's go. And before me even gone again, yeah, bless up the morning, like, thank your Father for your next morning. Well, bright and clear, but it's cold and cold. You know, cold, no, but it's cool, you know. But we gotta give thanks still. You see me? Because you know what I say? Right across the world, you know. I only wake up this morning, you know. So I have to give Father God thanks for me morning and for y'all who wake up this morning. You understand? So Father, may I ask you to bless and guide all over Newbie Fam TV, our supporters base. Just bless over them, protect over them, guide them throughout the day, throughout the rest of their life. And may bless, may I wish good strength, good health upon the family. I ask God to wash over and protect over. You understand? Yeah. So blessed morning, blessed Friday morning. You don't know for some of the people it was a pay morning. But bless you know. You understand? So just go and bless up on yourself and carry the back of me. I don't want for police, you understand? Because I don't want to get no ticket. Oh, alright. So I look a bit. Maybe reach a Walmart. It takes on the back. So now that they get miserable for Nisha. Make Nisha feel like you want to go home. So guys, I bought Nisha something. I don't know if I want to give her to her yet. It's one of those ones where you buy something, but you can't wait to show, you know? Because I'm excited too. And we're both excited.
For what?
Huh?
For what?
Everything. Like, our little trip.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And shopping and thing. Getting up now, liquor. stuff and stuff. So
Face is busy and there's not even that much videos.
So this morning when vlog little bit, that's one when you see what I want. I go pick up the TV for my old lady and with the Malia now, as long as you find a car again and we'll grab a couple stuff. So me buy Nisha our Christmas present already, you know, but we can't show him out.
And I'm dying to see.
And honestly, to tell you the truth, like now, because like more and gear it right now. Because me can't wait to gear our present neither, but we are wait until the day come, then we just do what we are doing. So the next plan you know, I'm going to look on clocks. Hope we can find one nice clocks, but somebody else said to go Brampton. But
glasses for yourself?
huh?
What is it?
No, so to go Brampton to get the clocks.
Oh, yeah.
But we go check Rasta and so on. I can't get it, I just can't get it.
Let's go.
Painting make me order one too.
You get it online, and I think the base sells them too. Daddy knows where to get them because he's got one.
Okay.
Here,
So right now, as I said, we just don't need some South Street burger. Now stay up with teeth and something little bit. So we are gonna move again. And you don't know what I'm going to Nisha, we end off the vlog here. Probably look for more.
Yeah.
So that's why we're on the road, Black Friday. Right now we place pack up. Yo, Nyla is a real chiller and watch him.
So today's Vlogmas day 2. And we woke up to a lot of snow today. And it was like hailing as well, and we didn't go on the road. We wanted to go on the road, but we didn't get to go just because the weather outside just looked not too nice. So we just stayed home and chilled. We didn't want to take Nala out in the cold weather. So we finally have some snow, and we wanted to film our Vlogmas intro outside, but we didn't want to like play around and fool around outside with Nyla. So we ended up doing something cute inside. I hope you guys enjoyed our intro. It was fun making it, but it was a little fight with Nyla. She was not having it, and we had to like redo some parts. She wasn't having it, but I'm happy that how it came out. It's cute. Made me smile when I was watching it. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. So we are doing Vlogmas. From you guys see the vlog, you already know. So we have to Vlogmas, yes. And I know some people were asking us if we're still gonna drop the shirts. But truth is, this place is so dark. So with the whole shirts, we were planning to drop them in the new year. Like that was our ultimate goal. But some people are saying, oh, you should have dropped it for Christmas. It would have been nice. But we just didn't really got around to it, and we didn't want to rush it. So I guess for the new year, that's something we want to do. And I know people are also asking about my dad's hot sauce. Again, that's for the new year. I have some stuff planned out for the new year. You guys just have to stay subscribed to our channel so that you are... Make sure you guys are subscribed to our channel so that you guys are keeping up to date with us, and like you guys will know when the shirts are gonna drop and the hot sauce and all that good stuff. Also make sure you guys hit that notification bell, you know, so that you're notified whenever we drop a vlog and all that good stuff. I'm here having some chocolate. I was really trying to stay away from the candy. Let me tell you guys how a couple weeks ago I had to go and I had to literally rush to the dentist to get a root canal done because I had the worst tooth pain in life. Yo, tooth pain is one of the worst pain that a person can ever experience. Like, it is horrible. I would never wish that on my worst enemy. I wouldn't even wish anything on my worst enemy in general, but tooth pain is disgusting. I had to go and get a root canal done. So I got a root canal done, and I actually had a cavity there and I ignored it for years. The last time I was in Jamaica, I went to the dentist to fix one tooth, and he told me I was supposed to fix the other one, and I waited for years and I just didn't do it. So now I had to get a root canal because the pain was just disgusting. That was a couple weeks ago while I was finishing up school. Bro, it was so annoying because I went to placement a day with a tooth pain and it was bad. Like, Tylenol was not helping me. I think I took like 3 Tylenols in a day, or like 24 hours or whatever, and it wasn't helping me. So I'm really trying to refrain from eating a lot of candy because I have a bad habit of eating candy, because I'm just tired of having to go to the dentist. I hate going to the dentist. It's like literally one of my worst nightmares. So Nala's currently sleeping. I'm downstairs. Z is downstairs. Let me go see what he's doing. in his man cave. Listening to music as usual.
Alexa, next track.
Your bossy door. Chat to gal and ting.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
It's so dark. You have to get like a light down here.
Yeah, wait, I like to change.
Did you find the chocolate?
No.
Oh! I thought it was chocolate on my finger and I went like this.
So are your finger here to bite something?
Fudge. I hope I didn't rip it open. I think I'm here. Aren't you leaving me soon? Aren't you leaving me soon?
No.
Ball.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You and Mario should not be going to no ball.
Why?
No, you guys shouldn't go. You know why.
Yo, no,
See what happened to Mario? Mario hurt his ankle. Knock on wood. For real.
You better.
Yeah, better.
You better.
What's for dinner?
Huh? What you girl go full?
Bro, I just really hurt my finger and I hope it doesn't bleed. I'm gonna get something to drink. I'll be back. That's a cool plug. That's the plug you bought?
Yeah.
Ziggy, that's how you're not lifting all that.
What?
All that you lift?
Yeah.
Boy, bye. Boy, bye. I hope this cut doesn't open back. I cut my finger the other day. I friggin' thought it was chocolate on my finger and I just bit it. Like, not bit it, but I took my teeth against it. Anyways, I'm gonna tune back in with you guys in a bit. I need to go do something real quick. Don't do it. Please don't do it. Anyways, y'all, while she be's unruly, I'm over here making some sauteed shrimp pasta. I got my veggie cut up, water boiling, currently peeling my shrimp. I had to put on the winter hat, the Santa hat. It suits you and you have the belly.
True, it take my goodie belly for a long time.
Does he make a cute Santa, guys? He's all graying up the beard. I was here cooking and my dad took over. He just can't stay out the kitchen.
No.
But you ain't gotta ask me twice.
I'm just like telling her a couple stuff. My people just get up and gone. So.
But I had to feed her real quick.
With the stove on still. You know, turn off the stove and go on, sister.
But you were standing here.
Really? Cause it does me pile on a bad man.
This is real chef hands. You guys look at this. So y'all, my dad's birthday is coming up, December 13.
Turn milestone.
He's turning 5. Big 05.
You know, I look like 60 still, but my work man.
No, you don't. You do not even look like your age, first of all. Okay, the shrimp is in there, sauteing up, and we got the noodles. I must overcook the noodles.
I turned the stove off already. Don't worry about how you feel.
Shout out to Pops.
Have you?
Yeah, so today is something.
Lazy food day.
Yeah.
My show me up ask me what's for dinner.
Your daughter, your little child.
I'm like,
hey,
that's not really happening.
Hey, my turn. Let me try that.
So me feel that.
First of all,
Be too heavy.
yo, my wrist just cracked.
Oh crap! Leave it for you. That's where people see things.
Yes, get used to vlogging. Turn it on you. I'll show you how to do it.
Or you turn it around like this. Oh shit! Look there. Right, it. Remember, say me on the Santa cap.
You should actually put it on your hand. Wear it outside.
For what? Me look like Santa Claus to you.
You're eating the piece of the broccoli.
Want green something?
Yes.
Yeah, I tasted it. My bad. Just like her, she has something on her mouth too. See that?
Does she?
Like poopa, like grand pick
I
me
ate
man. I eat a lot of you guys stuff. When you guys were small, some of the stuff that I eat, when you guys vomit in my plate, puke in my plate, we just scoop it aside and eat same way.
Ew, and you can suck the boogers out our nose, and now they have stuff where you push it in the baby's nose and just suck it out, but it doesn't come in your mouth, something blocks it. It's just the air. Isn't that
Well,
crazy?
me just suck it out. 'Cause I hate someone to cry and make it do it, so why not?
But I guess it's even because you used to push your toe in her mouth.
I never push my toe in their
Hold the
mouth.
camera far.
I never push my toe in their mouth. I them I run feet and I say, I was actually trying to kick you out of the way and you just catch it so.
That's why she's so intrigued by Daddy. This girl, learn. You know when y'all like tired of the regular cooked food on a Sunday, like fried chicken, rice and peas, or white rice, stewed chicken, whatever, like those typical Jamaican food that you'll cook? We're feeling that today. Plus last time what did we make? Fried chicken. Well, you made fried chicken, rice and peas.
Pizza.
And you know we were actually and pizza. Remember we came home so we're gonna make fries and chicken wings. But the rice and peas was nice last night. That pepper you bought was actually like good pepper. Cause all the rice, it wasn't buzzed, but yeah, it gave like nice flavor.
Sometimes you get a good batch of pepper. So I put some soy sauce inside. So the color just change up now. But me still try to get the little sweetness. So the only thing we could do right now with this to make you get that nice color and that nice glossy look, I add a little bit of cornstarch. Help to thicken it up, get stuff sticking to the noodles.
This is how real chefs stir pot.
Actually, I don't want to dirty up anything else in the car. The washing thing, I'm not being it right now. First of all, a basketball, I watch, I know I cook.
The Santa hat suit you.
Really?
It's a good look, yes.
So if you turn Santa Claus now, but me think I'm a Santa Claus for a long time, but only to you guys.
Yeah. So y'all, once this is done, I'll do up a plate and show you guys the final result. You know, so I don't know why he's coming over here showing off. Look, I just made you an Instagram video. Okay. What do you mean, okay? What's wrong with this girl about okay? Get on my face.
Merry little Christmas.